A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is Beyond Limits, Preservation and Sustainability as Humanity's True Strengths. Ladies and gentlemen, human progress has always been a story of reaching beyond the visible horizon. Science and technology have transformed how people live, extending lifespans, connecting continents, and uncovering secrets of the universe once hidden in the stars. Yet, while human capability appears extraordinary, it is ultimately finite. The measure of greatness, therefore, does not lie in unbounded expansion, but in how wisely humanity preserves what is precious and sustains what is essential. Preservation and sustainability are not barriers to growth. They are the compass that ensures growth serves life in its fullest meaning. Advancement has given modern life comforts and awareness unimaginable in earlier times. The ability to analyze, innovate, and accelerate has reached astonishing levels. But in the quiet rhythm of existence, there is also a reminder: the most powerful societies and knowledge traditions were not defined by how much they could extract, but by how well they understood balance, restraint, and harmony. Today, lifestyles have grown faster, yet the virtues of patience, temperance, and inner alignment often fade into the background. The pursuit of validation from science, while essential, cannot always keep pace with the urgent decisions life demands. Ancient wisdom reminds that time, energy, and intelligence are gifts not to be exhausted, but to be cultivated for a higher purpose. Science explains processes, wisdom gives them meaning. Together, they reveal that progress without preservation risks losing its essence. Technological breakthroughs improve accuracy, speed, and efficiency, but they cannot replace the unique way the human brain integrates reason with emotion, logic with compassion, imagination with memory. Machines may calculate faster, but only human consciousness can envision purpose. This distinction is vital. The future may accelerate materially, but the complexity of human life, its disparities, its dissonance, its diversity of aspirations cannot be reduced to equations. What's the way forward? The path ahead requires a shift in vision. Progress must not be measured solely in what is built, but in how life is uplifted. Preservation and sustainability offer the framework for this shift. They remind that every advance must serve the well-being of people, communities, and the planet. This calls for recentering human capability on fundamentals that uplift every life to a platform of wellness, self-pride, and dignity as envisioned by the Master Creator. Health and fitness to anchor vitality, emotional well-being to steady the mind amidst uncertainty, alignment with nature to rediscover humanity as a custodian of balance, positive thought and purposeful progression to direct intelligence toward meaning, not excess, wisdom, courage and compassion to unify brilliance with benevolence. When tuned into the eternal cosmic intelligence, humanity can find guidance beyond measure. This divine presence silently watches, ever ready to extend a hand to those who seek it with resonance and surrender. In this alignment, science and wisdom converge and progress acquires both direction and depth. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the earth is not an object to be consumed, but a trust to be cared for. Every life is not merely a seeker of benefit, but a custodian of balance, carrying within it the responsibility to preserve and to uplift. The true strength of humanity lies not in extending its limits endlessly, but in recognizing those limits as an invitation to act with care, foresight, and wisdom. When preservation and sustainability shape the direction of science, advancement will not only extend human reach but also deepen human meaning. Then progress will reveal its higher purpose, not in conquering the external, but in harmonizing the internal with the eternal. The words of Lord Krishna in the Bhagavad Gita illuminate this eternal truth. True yoga is the mastery of action, where wisdom and right conduct unite. In this lies the timeless message. When intelligence serves preservation and progress is guided by sustainability, humanity rises beyond the finite and fulfills the very purpose for which creation was made. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.